Hello, this is Professor Bradley and I would like to speak to you on behalf of the special for Catcote Futures Jacuzzi appeal. Catcote Futures is a specialist college in Hartlepool for young people with learning difficulties. Our wonderful college gives wonderful opportunities to the students who attend it. This includes work experience, chances to build on independent skills, and a range of therapies. Sadly, because of COVID, we could no longer use our jacuzzi. We weren't allowed to use it during the pandemic, and all the pipes and controls have dried up. Hydrotherapy is a vital part of our education for a number of important reasons, including loosens tight muscles. The weightlessness of the water helps with sore and aching muscles. Encourages relaxation. Jacuzzis can lower blood pressure and induce anxiety.
It's fun.
It increases a metabolic rate. The water temperature increases a healthier diet.
It's fun.
Increases digestion. The water flow stimulates bowel nerves to increase bowel function. Hydrates cells. The steam hydrates cells and provides a calming sensation.
What's it fun?
It improves skin and muscle tone. Moving in the water increases muscle tone.
It's fun.
Detoxifying. The heat produces sweat, which cleans the body.
It's fun.
Boosts the immune system. Increased heat helps circulate, which fights disease.
It's fun!
Helps organs. The warm water helps internal organs work better. I think they're trying to tell us something. We are applying for grants but still need your help. Every penny helps. Go on, splash out for Catcote's Jacuzzi.